All right, for you Ford fanatics out there, I got a badass one for y'all today. Mr. Child's beautiful new Raptor R sitting behind me. These things from the factory are already insane. They come with the same power plant that the GT500 Mustang comes with, and they stick it in this badass truck sitting behind me. And for Mr. Childs, that just was not enough. So he brought it to us for one of our performances packages. Let me pop the hood and show you all what we did.
Experience the thrill of unrivaled performance. Our team of experts takes your ride to the next level. From horsepower gains to custom enhancements, we deliver results. Late model racecraft. We talking or we racing?
All right, guys. These trucks are badass from the factory, like I previously mentioned. They do come, so the F-150s come with the regular 5-liter motor in them. The regular Raptors, they have like EcoBoost 6-cylinder twin turbos. The Raptor R is like the Voodoo engine that comes in the GT500 with a 2650 Supercharger under the hood, but instead of a DCT transmission, obviously it is a 10-speed automatic with a torque converter in it. Well, we take the Raptor R to a completely different level. Mr. Childs, he is in Texas. He does have quite a few miles on this thing. He daily drives it, and he wants to have a fun daily driver that he can beat the shit out of while putting 93 octane in it and enjoy it every single day. So guys, first thing we pop the hood, first thing you notice is, bam, this huge orange 3.8 liter Whipple Supercharger, black 132 millimeter throttle body on it. We install larger injectors for this thing. Factory airbox still goes right to it. And then we did another Raptor R last week. The main difference between this one and that one is he wanted his to be a little bit louder. So we went with Kooks headers with high flow cats, but we still left the stock mufflers and resonators on it. So when he is doing long highway driving, there's no bad drone inside the vehicle. This thing turned out absolutely incredible. Y'all can see the orange under the hood. You might be thinking, why is it orange under the hood? The accents to the R that he has as well, it matches very well. He has a matte black wrap on this thing with a camo style carbon on different places. Y'all can see the beautiful KMC wheels with a 37-inch tire on it. To me, this thing looks awesome. It looks like you want to hop in it and go sorry, guys are test driving our cars around, having fun. You want to take this thing straight to the sand dunes and have an absolute blast with it. KMC 37-inch tall tires, coming all the way to the back. Again, you see the flat black, the Ford wrap. He did it in camo, looks cool. And then we have our 1,000 horsepower badge on the back of it. Guys, this thing, I think 550 rear wheel horsepower baseline. Now it's over 800 rear wheel horsepower. You're talking 250 rear wheel horsepower gain, still on 93 octane. So you can hop in this thing, drive it anywhere you want, pull over to a gas station, put gas in it, and go. And let me tell you guys, this thing is so much fun to drive. I took a little test drive earlier, but I'm gonna go ahead and let Jason add that footage now because I had an absolute blast. You're gonna love what this thing can do. As big as it is and how big these tires are, you'll be surprised at how bad I can spin these tires. It's so much fun to drive. So stay along, and I hope you enjoy this as, yeah, Jason, add that footage now. So 4-wheel high. I do have traction control off, so it should spin a little bit. That is insane. Absolutely insane. 0 to almost 100 right there. I'll put it back in 4-wheel auto. Golly, with those big tires on it, you can see it trying to torque steer. It is so much fun. This thing stoplight to stoplight again. You will, I think, outrun 95% of the cars or trucks on the road. Customers only put it in 4-wheel high if they're literally gonna race like stoplight to stoplight. If they're gonna go 0 to 100, 0 to 120, which most people don't go that fast in these trucks, but 4-wheel auto is the way to leave it on. And again, same thing, leave traction control on too for the most part. That way you can just keep everything as safe as possible. And like I said earlier, spinning is not winning. So, but it is fun for most customers that do want to play. They can put it in 2-wheel drive, turn traction control off, and literally roast them from a roll, which is insane to do in a vehicle this heavy and this big. So I'll do one more launch and then we'll do a little roll. So sport mode, I got it on 4-wheel auto. We'll do a quick another 0 to 60. Traction control is on this time. God damn it. Insane. Incredible. The 0 to 100 in this thing like that. It does torque steer again. The taller tires, you gotta hold on to the wheel, but it is not uncontrollable. You can definitely control it and keep it in your lane. Some of the TRX that we've done with wide tires on it, they are kind of uncontrollable, and it makes you almost want to switch lanes when we're making 1,000+ horsepower. This one, even with the 37s on it though, I felt pretty comfortable holding it in our lane. We'll do one more. Is that in a big ass truck like that to be able to do that? I mean, it's absolutely insane to just blow the tires off to 80 miles an hour from a low roll like that. So much fun. So much fun. All right, traction control back on. Mr. Childs, you still got plenty of tires use left on these babies. I'm not gonna kill them, but you are gonna absolutely love it. From the way it came from the factory, I think we baseline these roughly 550 rear-wheel horsepower. Now they're making over 800 rear-wheel horsepower. I think this one stopped right at like 806 or 810, something like that. The one we did last week, or the week before that, was I think 815 or 820. Just absolutely incredible. They're so much fun. Like, I can't say it enough. Raptor R owners out there, or if you know someone with a Raptor R, share this video with them. That way at least they get some knowledge of which routes to go. And we have several different options for this platform. We don't have to just do a 3.8 liter Whipple on it. We can just put basic pulleys on the factory supercharger, turn the boost up a little bit. We can port the factory supercharger, turn the boost up. Several different options. So again, guys, if you own one, call the shop, fill out an inquiry, or if you know someone that owns one, share this video with them, and hopefully they can at least learn something from this video to give them an idea of what they might want to do in the future. I'm gonna get back to the shop, get this thing cleaned up. Mr. Childs will drive in town, pick this thing up, drive it 4 hours home, and enjoy it probably the entire way home with 93 octane. So until next time, guys.